Yeah. Surf and turf is 3 words.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is this thing on?
Yeah.
That's your microphone. Put it to your mouth. We did a sound check already. Joe, press play.
Holding for airplane.
Hang on one second. Give us a.
Holding for Lachlan and airplane.
Give me 3. Count to 15.
I already have a 93.
Who?
Hey, guys, it's for you.
Thanks, buddy. Hit it. Give me a check.
Shiggity check. Check in.
Oh wait,
Check
hold on.
yourself before you wreck
We're going.
yourself.
What's wrong?
It's recording up there.
It's okay. It can go. We can pull it down after.
Oh, it can?
Or you just click on here now that we've. Here we go. Press play. Record.
Did I delete that one at a time?
I mean, eventually. Don't delete that.
Up.
So this is why you need a producer.
Ready? So we gotta click down here.
Do you guys
There
like
you
this
Jesus.
new nightstand?
You got it?
Ready?
I'm ready. We love this new nightstand.
Kooks of Comedy.
I pick up my friends, paddle out, then we all hang 10. Get barreled in such a nice day out. And if you drop in, you might get laid out. Blue crush on a girl and I'm all about it. I'm point break and I got all the high beach talent. And these kooks wanna ride with the big kids. Better know that it goes down like this. We gonna catch some waves. We in the sun getting high all day. Gonna catch some waves. We on the run from the cops all day, gonna catch some waves. And do you really wanna catch some waves? With the Kooks of Comedy.
Check one, check one. 1 to the motherfucking 2.
Check me out. Check it out. Kooks of Comedy.
Boom, boom, boom.
What's that thing you do
Anastasia,
again?
Ashley, Anastasia, Ashley, Anastasia.
No,
Anastasia, Anastasia.
Do the thing, what do you do to get your mouth warmed up?
Bumblebee,
Bumblebee,
Bumblebee.
Right here, Kooks of Comedy.
Kooks of Comedy, episode 16, I believe.
16 I've got written down.
Yeah, 16, man.
Wicket.
Turned down for what in the Kooks of Comedy?
We got a packed pipe factory.
We got a packed factory.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound gay
We
at
got
all.
a factory.
That doesn't sound gay at all. We got a pipe factory.
We got a pap smear.
This is great though. We got our first return guest.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, the first
Your
person.
first ever return. That's pretty cool.
The first person
Glad
to
to
make
be
a
back.
second visit.
What was it, episode 3?
I think you were episode 3.
Wow, you guys have covered a lot of turf.
Scott Goldberg
Scotty G in the house.
shaped my board.
Yeah,
Glad
surfer,
to be back.
shaper,
Glad to be
writer,
back.
kook.
Big kook.
Also got special guest Josh Davis in the house.
Just guys.
You got. We only got 3 mics, but Josh is Josh. We had dinner tonight, and Josh, I served with him. Shit,
That was fast.
That was quick.
that was
man.
really bad.
Josh manning the bell.
Luckily, I only have.
Were you helping him out? Were
No,
you trying to set him
I was,
up?
no. It's been a while. We haven't had anyone on the bell in a while.
So,
By the way, I don't mean to derail right off the bat, but your hand makes that bottle of beer look like it's for a 4-year-old.
Dude, if I can,
You have a huge hand.
yeah.
I shacked that hand.
Imagine what it does to his dick. All right?
It makes it look really normal.
Yeah.
Normal sized.